Imagine this. You're scrolling through flight prices and see Virgin Atlantic premium seats for $2,498. Heartbreaking, right? Well, I didn't pay that. I got the exact same seat for only $237, plus 22,000 points. And I won't make you wait. Here's your first hack. You don't need Virgin Atlantic miles to do this. You can use Amex, Chase, Capital One, Citi, even Bilt, because they all transfer to Virgin Atlantic. That means whatever travel card you have right now can unlock deals like this. Hey there. Welcome to Jet Set Sibs, luxury for less. I'm Mika, and I travel with my sister Veronica. Together, we're showing you how to fly like a VIP for the price of economy, using points, hacks, and insider tricks. If you're new to travel hacking or just want to save money, you're in the right place. Stick around, because at the end, I'll reveal the final hack that made this flight possible. Trust me, you don't want to miss this one. As you can see, premium class normally costs $2,498. But instead of paying that, I booked the exact same seat for $237 and 22,000 points. That's literally cheaper than economy on the same flight. Here's the first booking option I found. 40,000 points plus $475. Honestly, not worth it. Premium seat, yes, but way too much cash. And here's your second hack. Never trust just one airline site. I used a tool called Seats.aero, and it showed me a cheaper option that wasn't even visible on Virgin's own app. That's how I found the $237 plus 22,000 points deal. And here's the final hack that made this deal possible: Amex transfer bonuses. When you transfer points to airline partners like Virgin Atlantic during a bonus promo, your points stretch 20 to 30% further. That's how I booked this seat for only 22,000 points instead of needing 30,000 or more. Timing your transfer is the difference between economy and premium. Let's put this in perspective. Economy would have cost me 24,000 points and $218. I paid fewer points and got premium for $237. That's cheaper than economy, with way more comfort. Now you know how I turned a $2,498 flight into $237 and 22,000 points. If you want more hacks like this, hit subscribe right now. I share new tips twice a week so you can travel luxuriously for less. And here's my question for you. If you could fly premium for cheaper than economy, where would you go first? Drop your answer in the comments. I'll be reading everyone.